Today, our topic of discussion is mumps. Mumps is an acute, self-limited, systemic paramyxoviral disease characterized by the swelling of one or more of the salivary glands. Typically involves parotid glands. Spread by respiratory droplets. Most commonly affects children but also affects adults. Mumps can spread rapidly in schools and colleges. Incidence is highest in spring season and incubation period of mumps is 14 to 21 days. Clinical findings, signs and symptoms. Symptoms in patients' history consist mostly of fever, headache, malaise, ear pain, parotid tenderness and overlying facial edema are the most common physical findings within 48 hours of prodromal symptoms. Trismus results from parotitis. Neck stiffness, headache, and lethargy suggest meningitis. Testicular swelling and tenderness unilateral in 75% of cases denotes orchitis. Testes are most common extrasalivary site of disease in adults. Upper abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting suggest pancreatitis. Mumps is the leading cause of pancreatitis in children. Lower abdominal pain, ovarian enlargement suggest oophorytis in women and girls. Laboratory studies. Mumps is a clinical diagnosis. Although serum amylase is elevated in mumps, CBC count reveals mild leukopenia with relative lymphocytosis. C-reactive protein and ESR can be elevated. Mumps virus isolated from nasopharyngeal swab, blood and fluid obtained from buccal cavity within window of 7 days before up until 9 days after the onset of parotitis. PCR assay of CSF to detect CNS involvement. Mumps infection can be confirmed by positive mumps-specific immunoglobulin M or rise in IgG antibody titers. Differential diagnosis of mumps. Conditions to be considered in differential diagnosis include viral diseases like UV parotid fever, Coxsackie virus infection, influenza A virus, parainfluenza virus, cytomegalovirus, adenovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, and varicella zoster virus. Others include suppurative bacterial parotitis, parotid calculus, parotid gland tumors, calculus of Stenson's duct, adenitis, mastoiditis, sarcoidosis, Sjogren's syndrome, and drug reactions like thiazides. Treatment of mumps. Patient should be isolated until swelling subsides about 9 days from onset. Treatment is usually symptomatic. Topical compresses may relieve parotid discomfort. Encouraging oral fluid intake is essential. Refrain from acidic foods and liquids. Analgesics like acetaminophen or ibuprofen for headache or discomfort. Bed rest, scrotal support, and ice packs are recommended for orchitis. Patient with meningitis, encephalitis, myocarditis, nephritis, or pancreatitis require higher level of inpatient supportive care.